Hello and welcome to Robertson Homes. This is a short video to explain the measures we have taken to open our developments for you. The first thing I have to tell you is we are open by appointment only. If you'd like to book an appointment, you can do via the website or on live chat or by the phone. When arriving on site, you'll see in our car park our spaces are now further apart for your safety and to ensure safe distancing is in place. Once parked, please stay in the car and call the sales and marketing suite to let us know you have arrived. We'll unlock the doors and ensure the office is clear of people ready to visit. You'll be asked to read our safety information on the boards outside before you enter the sales office. When arriving at the office, the door will be open and we'll ask you to use a hand sanitizer as we welcome you in. Disposable face masks and gloves will be available should that offer some additional comfort for you. Usually, we would love to accompany visitors into the show home to answer any questions, but at the moment you'll be free to walk around on your own with your family. Please remove any footwear and take your time to enjoy the space. All of the door handles you'll need to use will have nanoseptic covers on, and all the internal doors in the show homes will be left open, so you won't have to use any of our door handles. When you come back into the sales office, you will see that we have screens up for our staff and for your protection. We'll be able to talk through the house types, availability and services we offer, all in a safe environment. Currently, we won't be able to offer any refreshment or toilet facilities as an added precaution. Once your visit is complete, our sales team will wipe down all surfaces with antibacterial wipes, again ready for the next visitors. We are really excited about welcoming visitors back on site again, and we'll make sure your visit is a safe and enjoyable one.